So now I'm on my way again. This time I'm leaving Taxinge with the Catamaran. And on that island there in front, I took a break when I was sailing from Mälaren on Halloween 2 years ago. Now you can see the castle. It's not so big, but it's very nice located on the half island out into the Lake Mälaren. I had the rudders elevated when I was launching the Catamaran, but it doesn't seem like they want to go down again. Maybe I will have to change the rubber cord that pulls them down. It's just too much speed. Doesn't matter much. They actually work quite nice this way also. In there you can see Mälaren with its 500-year-old castle. Out there somewhere my goal for today is Rävsnäs. It's not so warm out. It's about 8 degrees Celsius. So it's nice to have clothes on today. And there was another launch site that I was thinking about trying, but I changed my mind as it felt a bit too private. There is another boat out, but they don't seem to like sailing, although they have possibilities. Maybe they haven't loaded the sail yet. Now we're coming up to a narrow passage here, I think. It's actually a really nice area here. A lot of small boat houses and streams. This is Rävsnäs, my main stop on this trip. 500 years ago, an important person in Swedish history lived here. His family had just been murdered in the Stockholm bloodbath. From here, his journey against the Danish collaborators started. Gustav Vasa was the founder of the independent Swedish nation. And his election as a king, the 6th of June, 1523, is one of the reasons we celebrate our national day. Today one of Gustav's 125,000 descendants owns this manor. Maybe I can have dinner over there. There is a lot of trees on the beach. I think it's hard to access the shore. I will have to find another spot. I think I found a really good spot to eat my dinner. It's in the lee overlooking Rävsnäs. This chili con carne was really good as well. It's starting to get late and I need to get going. It's a bit noisier going upwind. I'm searching for a night camp. I need to find somewhere where there is lee, so it should be on the north side of an island. Because the wind is coming from the south now and during the whole night. So I'm thinking about bay on the island in ahead of me, not this one with all the bird poop, but the one with the real trees over there. Maybe I can camp over there in that bay. It's getting really cold now, so I need to find a night camp before the sun drops totally. I turn the boat so that the trampoline gets more level. I will use a boom as a ridge pole for the tarp. I tie the boom to the stays to keep it level and secured. The tarp is 7 meters long, so it will make up both floor and roof sides. It's 3 meters wide, so I will also be able to tuck the sides in a bit, leaving holes on both sides for good ventilation. When I have set up the tarp, I put sleeping mattresses on the floor before I bring the sleeping bags. As temperature might drop well below zero during the night, I will use a liner and double sleeping bags inside the beaver bag. If you do not want to miss the rest of the tour, why not subscribe?